Welcome to Team 13's roguelike game project demo. In game, I can press the D key to move to the right or the A key to move left. If I press spacebar, I jump, and if I press A or D while in the air, I can move while in the air. There's a melee enemy. Currently, I cannot attack. I can click right now and nothing will happen, but once I pick up this melee weapon, the sword, I can now click to swing my sword, and I can use this to kill the enemies. These purple enemies are the ranged enemies. As soon as the player is in sight, they will shoot towards them. This box contains our first ranged weapon, gun number 1. It shoots rapidly but does lower damage than the second gun and the sword. These enemies here, with a chest piece and a helmet equipped, will take very long for me to kill with my current weapon, so let's not do that yet. This hallway contains our third weapon and second gun, gun number 2, which shoots very powerful bullets that have a long cooldown between each shot. We can now defeat the armored enemies in a reasonable amount of time. This very large and tanky enemy functions as a barrier to level 2, so I gotta kill it. It's dead. Now that I'm in the second level, the game should have saved. So if I were to quit the game and want to continue again later, it should put me back in this level if I hit play. First, let's start a new game to make sure that doesn't overwrite the save file. As desired, the game read the save file and put me back in the level that I left off on. Here begin level 2's platforming puzzles. The gate to the next level is locked until this puzzle is completed. To complete this puzzle, all the blocks have to be lit up at the same time. Every time I shoot a block, it toggles the state of all the cardinally adjacent blocks to it. As you can see, I'm a pro speedrunner at this puzzle. Now that I'm in the third level, the boss level, the lair of the Edgelord, let's see if the save game functionality still works as desired. It does. After a long boss fight, when the boss is defeated, you have beaten the game and the credits appear. Once the credits finish rolling, you are returned back to the main menu of the game. Here are what the different difficulty options do to the gameplay. First is easy mode. In this difficulty, melee enemies deal 2 damage and take 2 hits to get killed. Moving enemies also move considerably slower. Ranged enemies also deal 2 damage but take a single hit to get killed. Melee enemies now deal 3 damage but still take 2 hits to kill. They also move a little bit faster than they did in easy mode. Ranged enemies still deal 2 damage and also still take 1 sword hit to kill. In hard difficulty, the moving enemies are speed demons and take 3 hits to kill. They also deal 5 damage, which is half of your health bar. The ranged enemies now deal 3 damage and take 2 hits to kill. Clicking the quit button on the pause menu will exit the application. Clicking the quit button on the main menu also exits the game.